This is a $900 iPhone 11. This car costs less than that. Is it broken? Of course it is. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. If you're familiar with this channel, you recognize this car as Helen's 2006 Volkswagen Golf. This is the car that she learned how to drive with and what she uses frequently now to go to work. The problem is, winter's coming. So, even though this car is very reliable, I worry that she might get stuck with flash floods or heavy snows during the winter time with this cutie patootie car. Which is why I got her an SUV version of the car. So this new to us car is a 2002 Chevy Tracker. It has a 2.0-liter engine, 4-wheel drive, and it's higher to the ground, so the visual driving angle is better. Now, it is almost like the Golf, but with bigger shoes. Here's the two cars next to each other. As you can see, the Chevy Tracker has a higher ground clearance. Added with a 4-wheel drive capability, the Chevy Tracker is better on snow than the Volkswagen Golf. Not only that, but it only has 2 doors, so it's a little more compact, so it's more maneuverable and easier to drive, especially in the city. But of course, cars like this is not without its issues. So let's get straight to the problem. According to the previous owner, he recently replaced the water pump, and after a few months, he said he heard the water pump stopped working. Now, I don't know if that's true, but I'm gonna give him the benefit of the doubt. So the first thing we're gonna do is replace the water pump and see if the problem is still there. I'm really excited to get this car back on the road. And with its 4-wheel drive capability, I will have peace of mind that Helen's not gonna get stuck in heavy snow. So this is just a preview of Helen's next car and maybe a few How to Helen projects in the future. This is RJeff, and thank you for watching How to Helen.